Hello guys, welcome English with Abhikya. I am mother of Abhikya. Today just I want to share my English learning journey. Many of people they were asking me like how you improve your English and your child English, my daughter English. So everyone was asking me. So just I thought I made video for you. So my daughter is not here because she is watching TV. You know very well if kids they are watching television and phone, so they like doesn't want to leave any gadgets because they thought if I like left the gadgets after some time, after a few time, they will not get. I think everyone relate from this. Okay, so uh, I am also learning this language, and I am also learning this language while teaching her, and she is also learning. But I saw like she is speaking well, she is speaking fluent. I know because I saw I seen that she is talking with other school learners and she speaks good rather than me. But many of viewers, many of audience, they were asking me how you teach and what kind of activity you are doing with her. So to be very honest, I am a mother of two beautiful kids. Okay, so I don't have much time to do any activities. But yes, earlier I used to do some activities, not English activities, any other activities, whatever come in my mind. Okay, so I do with her. But between I think continuously I was doing 1 year only. After the time, after 1 years, I like break my consistency because of some circumstances and some responsibilities. You know very well, I am a homemaker, typical homemaker, so that's why. And I have many responsibilities and many challenges, so that's why I didn't continue that journey that time. You know what, I know I am fumbling while talking, but it's happening. Okay, so you know what, then I thought she used to that time she was used to talk in English, but there is no English environment here, so that's why she stops her journey. And I also uh, like I also unable to teach her. But after a few years I realized English is our global language, you know everyone. Okay, so I thought if she interested to learn this language, why not again start. So I again start this journey with other school learners, and I messaged them. But you know what, I also want to talk with them, but that time, if they have time, I don't have time. If I have time, they don't have time. So that's why our time unable to match. So that's why we are not unable to connect. But one day my daughter said to me, Mama, if you don't have time to connect with co-learners, definitely I want to connect with them because I love to talk with the strangers or online platform. Okay, so I thought if she is interested, so why not. When I messaged and to other co-learner, I always say to them, I don't want to talk with you, but my daughter want to talk. So every co-learner, they are very excited to talk with her. They are very incredible to talk with her because she is also very curious to know everything. So that is the main reason. So nowadays I am not doing any activity, just talking. She's talking with co-learners. So it's not regularly because there is no many I didn't message to other co-learner because of some time, you know, because I have a son. He's just 1 year, so he all time like take my attention. So that is the main reason. But yes, I try to message other co-learner to talk with her. So she's talking with her the like week 1 week one person, I think so. So in this way she is learning, and sometimes I speak with her in English, but it's totally depend her mind what she want to do. If she want to speak, definitely she speak 5 to 15 minutes every day, try to speak. If she doesn't want to speak English, so she like totally denying, I don't wanna talk anymore. So I was not I didn't, you can say, I don't push her to talk with me. But sometime definitely I say to her, whenever I get time, whenever I talk with her, I try to say her say in English, describe in English. I'm not saying to her translate this English, because this is the wrong way to say. I always say speak this, try to describe this situation in English. Okay, whatever come in your mind, doesn't matter you are doing mistake or so not, because mistake make you perfect one day. Okay, so you are not doing everything at a one time, but definitely you can do at the one time. Okay, so I hope you understand what I want to make you understand. So thank you. If you have any topic, any conversation with my daughter each together, so please comments in the comments box. Thank you for your supporting. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thank you. See you in the next video. Now watch my 30 days English series. Thank you so much.